Yes. Exercise 5.3, question number 7. Find the sum of 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7. 22nd term is 149. D is equal to 7 and 22nd term, that means A 22 is equal to 149. Find the sum of first 22 terms. Sum of 22 terms we have to find out. Okay. So 22 terms means we can write A plus 21D is equal to 149. Now substitute the value of D. A plus 21 into 7 is equal to 149. A plus 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 is equal to 149, and A is equal to 149 minus 147, that is equal to 2. So now we have A and D both, we can find anything because N is also given 22 terms, sum of 22 terms. So A, N and D. So therefore we can find the value of S 22. That is equal to 22 upon 2, N by 2, 2A. 2A, A is 2 plus N minus 1. N is 22. So 22 minus 1, 21 into D is 7. So we get 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 147 plus 4, 151. 151 into 11, 1661 is the answer. Question number 8. Find sum of first 51 terms. Whose second term? Second term is A2, whose second term is 14, and third term is 18. A3 is equal to 18. Number of terms is 51. Sum of 51 terms. We have to find sum of 51 terms. That means N is 51. A2 means A plus D. A plus D is equal to 14. Question number 1. And A3 means A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 18. Equation number 2. From 2, subtract first equation. Right here A plus D is equal to 14. Subtract minus minus minus. A will cancel, 2D minus D, D, 18 minus 14, 4. D you have to put in equation number 1. Put in first equation. Equation first is A plus D. D is replaced by 4 is equal to 14. So A is equal to 10. A and D and N is also 51. So we can find the sum of 51 terms is equal to N by 2. We remember this formula, Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So N by 2, 51 by 2, 2 into A is 10 plus N minus 1, that means 51 minus 1 into common difference, it is 4. So 51 by 2, 2 tens are 20, 51 minus 150, 50 into 4, 51 upon 2. Some students I saw they are cancelling 2 with this 20. Whenever plus minus is there, we cannot cancel. We have to just solve this and then cancel it. So 20 and 5 for the 20, so 200, 220. So 51 by 2 into 220. Now you can cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 0. So 51 into 110 is equal to 5610. Find the sum of first 7 terms of an AP. No, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. Sum of first 7 terms. That means S S 7. S7 is equal to 49. Sum of 7 terms. That of 17 terms. That of 17 terms means sum of 17 terms. S 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of n terms. Sn. We have to find the sum of n terms. That means n will come in the answer. No? This n is not given. This is different n. So S7. So S7 means we can write n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2, 2a plus number of terms here because 7 terms, sum of 7 terms, so 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 49. This 10 by 2 bring right hand side, left hand side is 2a plus 6b is equal to 49 into 2 by 7. This will become 2 by 7 when we bring it on the right hand side. 7 7 is 49 and 7 to the 14. So we get 2a plus 6b is equal to 14 and whole equation is divisible by 2. So you can divide by 2. So we get a plus 2 3 is 6 and 2 7 is 14. Equation number 1. Then 17 terms means 17 by 2, sum of 17 terms, 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 289. So whatever, if the sum is given, you put the formula of sum. If nth term is given, you have to use the formula of nth term. 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d is equal to 289. 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 into 2 by 17. And 17, 17s are 289. And whole equation is divisible by 2. So divide this by 2, this, all three sides. So it will become a plus 2 8 is 16 and 2 2 will cancel 17. Equation number 2. And then subtract 1 from 2. A plus 3D is equal to 7. Minus, minus, and minus. This will cancel 8D minus 3D. 5D is equal to 17 minus 7, 10. So D is equal to 5 to the 10. D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. This value of D put in equation number 1. So we get A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. 3 to the 6, A is equal to 7 minus 6, 1. A, D we got, now we can find out, therefore Sn, sum of n terms is equal to, we have to find out n by 2, n will be n here because they have not asked that find the sum of 20 terms, 30 terms, n terms means n terms. 2 into A is 1 here, plus number of terms is n minus 1 into common difference is 2. So here you can take 2 common first. You will take 2 common, 1 plus n minus 1 will be left inside. So 2 cancel, and this minus 1 plus 1 will also cancel, n into n square. So sum of n terms is n square. Question number 10. Show that A1, A2, AN form an AP. First we have to show it is forming an AP, and AN is equal to, we have given that AN means nth term is equal to of the pattern 3 plus 4n. And also find the sum of the first 15 terms. Sum of 15 terms also we have to find. First we have to show it is making an AP. So we will put n is equal to 1. So we get the first term, that is A1, or we can say A also first term. So n is equal to 1. Just put n is equal to 1. So 3 plus 4 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. And A2, now find second term, A2, and put n is equal to 2. 3 plus 4 into 2, 4 to the 8, 3 plus 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11, second term. A3, third term, 3 plus 4 into 3, so 3 plus 4, 3 is a 12, 12 plus 3, 15, and so on. So we get the AP, we got A is equal to 7, second term 11, third term 15, and so on. Now check whether it is an AP or not. So common difference should be same. So 11 minus 7, find first D from the first. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Then third term minus second term, 15 minus 11 is also equal to 4. So therefore it has common difference, hence it's an AP. Prove that it's an AP. Now find its 15th term. So A is 7, D is this. Sum of 15 terms we can find out now. So as 15 is equal to 15 by 2, 2A, 2 into A. A is 7. A is 7. First term here 7. You can see here. 2 into 7 plus number of terms 15 minus 1 into common difference is 4. So 15 by 2, and you can take common 2. So 7 plus, here it will become 14, and out of 4, 2 is taken out, 2 is left. 17 to the 14, here 15 is left. and 7 plus 14 to the 28, 28 plus 7, 35, 35 into 15 is equal to 525. Similarly, the second question is same. An is equal to 9 minus 5n. Only this relation is different in the second question. You have to do that question. Okay, I'll take second also. Question number 10, second part. An is equal to 9 minus 5n. And sum of 15 terms also here. Again, find the sum of 15 terms also. After proving that it is an AP, so first term A will be equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. So 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. Then second term 9 plus 5n, 5 into 9 minus 5 into 2, 9 minus 5 to the 10. So that is equal to minus 1. Third term 9 minus 5 into 3, 9 minus 15, that is equal to minus 6. And A4 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 4, 5 for the 20, 9 minus 20 is equal to minus 11. So we got the series as A minus 1 minus 6 minus 11 and so on. This is a sequence to check whether it is an AP or not. So we will check minus 1 common difference. Second term minus first term, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Then again check minus 6 minus 6 minus minus 1. So minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Then third term minus fourth term minus third term minus 11 minus minus 6. So minus 11 plus 6 is equal to minus 5 and so on. Therefore, it's an AP. Now find the sum of 15 terms. S15 we have to find out. So S15 will be equal to 15 upon 2, 2A. A is here 4. A is 4, 24 plus number of terms 15 minus 1 into common difference is minus 5. So minus 5. So 15 by 2, 2 for the 8, 15 minus 1, 14 and minus will come here. So 14 into 5. So 15 by 2, 8 minus 5 for the 20, carry 2, 5 on the 5, 6, 7, 70. So 5 by 2 into minus 62. 62 plus 8, 70. So minus 62. And then it can be cancelled by 2, 2, 3 the 6, 2, 1 the 2, minus 31. So minus 31 into 5 is equal to minus 465. Negative because it is decreasing sequence. Sequence is decreasing, the sum is, that is why sum is negative. The sum of first n terms is 4n minus n square. Sum of n terms. Now we have to use either one formula or I'll tell you. Let me write what are the given given conditions Sn is equal to 4n minus n square, 4n minus n square. And they are asking what is the first term? What is the first term? So first term is A, or A is equal to S1, sum of one term also we can say first term. What is the sum of first two terms? H2, then we have to find this, we have to find, then we have to find second sum of two terms. What is the second term? We have to find also second term. And similarly find third, 10th and nth term. Similarly find third, 10th and nth term also. So first we have to find the sum of first term, sum of second term. Sum of first term is, we'll put S1, that is equal to the first term. Sum of first term is the first term, 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Obviously first term and sum of first term is same because there is no other term to sum in the first term. Now find sum of two terms also. So S2, sum of, this is the sum of two terms, 4 into 2 minus 2 square is equal to 4 to the 8 minus 2 to the 4, 8 minus 4, 4. The sum of two terms is 4. Now we can have one formula. Just remember this formula. If we have given suppose a series up to fifth term, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, and sum of these terms, if we will subtract the sum of A1 plus A2 plus A3, that means sum of four terms minus sum of three terms, we will get the fourth term. A4, fourth term will be equal to sum of four terms minus sum of three terms. Sum of four terms minus sum of three terms. So up to fourth term, if we will subtract, so up to the fourth term, we will subtract up to third term, sum up to third term, we will get the fourth term. So we got the formula an nth term of a series in terms of sum of n terms is equal to sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. So before less than 1, sum of less than 1 term, this formula will be applied to find any term. So if we need to find A2, we can put n is equal to A2. So before that, S2 and S1, S2, S1 is given. So we can find out A2. If we will put n is equal to 2 here, so A2 will be equal to what? S2 minus S2 minus 1, S1. And S2 is 4, S1 is 3. So 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. But now we have to find A3, that means A3 minus A2. So S3 minus S2. So S3 also we need to know the S3, S10 and Sn. So we can find out directly Sn. But S3, S2 is already. So S3 you can find out S3 also by putting here n is equal to 3. So S3 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square. 4 3s are 12 minus 3 3s are 9. 12 minus 9, 3. And for finding S10, we need A10. For finding A10, we need S10 and S9. So S10 also find out 4 into, or you can put then find out, or you can find separately first. So S10 will be equal to 4 into 10. 4 into 10 minus 10 square. So 4 10s are 40 minus 100. So that is minus 60. and sum of 9 terms also we will need. So S9 will be equal to 4 into 9 minus 9 square. 4 9s are 36 minus 9 9s are 81. 81 minus 36 will be equal to 45 minus 45. But 81 is bigger. So bigger number sign will come minus 45. Now we can find as A3. Now A3 will be equal to, in this formula put 3, n is equal to 3. A3 will be equal to S3 minus S2. And S3 is 3 and S2 is 4. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So A3 is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find A10, 10th term. What is the sum of first two term? What is the second term? Find third, fourth, and nth. Okay. So 10th term A10 will be equal to S10 minus S9, and S10 is minus 60 minus 45. So minus 60 plus minus 60 plus 45 minus 15. And then find also nth term. So nth term is this formula. In this formula, Sn is equal to An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Here you will put the value of n, Sn. Value of Sn is what? 4n minus n square. 4n minus n square. This is the formula for Sn. So if you want to find the value of Sn minus 1, replace n by n minus 1. So this will become 4 times n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. Now you can solve it to get the answer. 4n minus n square and minus n minus 1, you can take common n minus 1. So it will left with 4 minus n minus 1. So minus n minus 1. This bracket will come n minus 1. And because of this bracket, this sign will change. This will become minus n and plus 1. 4 minus n plus 1. So instead of writing this, we will multiply directly. So minus n plus 1. This is n. Minus n plus 1. So 5 minus n. So ultimately you can solve it and get the answer minus n square minus n minus 1 multiply with 5 minus n. Multiply these two and solve it. So at last you will get 5 minus 2n. Or if you want, I can do it 5n minus n square. N into n multiply, and this minus also minus minus 5n, then this minus n with minus n minus minus plus n square, then minus minus plus 1 into 5 5 minus minus plus 1 into minus n minus n. So that's it. This is cancelled, and minus 5 plus 5 plus 5. No, sorry, this is 5n. So 5n minus 5 minus 5n minus n minus 5n plus 4n. So minus this is minus 5n. Yes, let me see again. N into 5n, n minus plus n square minus plus 5n plus minus n. Okay. So minus 5n minus n minus 6n plus 4n. Minus 6n plus 4n minus 2n, and 5 is left there. So 5 minus 2n. Correct. So we get 5 minus 2n. Question number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive terms. First 40 positive terms divisible by 6. 40 terms divisible by 6 means 6 ones are 6 terms, or you can write 40 terms. 40 terms divisible by 6 are, I think it's 1040 already. So I have to stop here.